Yo, I just got out of Deadpool 2. I'm in the same parking lot as the past like 3 or 4 reviews because I filmed those right before going into the movie because I got to the theater early and I knew I had to get some reviews done. That's that lore drop right there. I think this might be a mob meetup parking lot. I always see like a mob-like activity here. Don't know what's gonna happen. Who knows? But Deadpool was exactly what I expected. It was meh. It was okay. Not bad, but nothing of great value. I mean, same opinions as the first one. If you loved the first one, you'll love this one. See, the first one, everyone was telling me I'm not a fan of the character Deadpool. Like, I'm a big Marvel fan. I've read a bunch of comics, like seen all the movies, like, and Deadpool has always been a character where I'm just like he's just okay. Like, I couldn't care less about him. I feel like when they did their Gwenpool series, which is canceled, they did everything that Deadpool could do, but better and a hot girl. That's my best description of Gwenpool. But yeah, so Deadpool, everyone was telling me how subversive it is, how it's like revolutionizes the superhero movie genre, the first one I'm talking about. And then I saw it and I'm like, this does not at all revolutionize the superhero movie genre. Movies like The Incredibles, or movies like even the X-Men series, like those revolutionize the superhero genre. But you take a movie like Deadpool, which takes place in the Deadpool movies take place in the X-Men universe. It's very clear. Yeah, especially in this one. Yeah, I mean, you take a movie like Deadpool, and I just don't mix well with the Deadpool sense of humor, and I know a lot of people do. Like if I watched the Deadpool movies when I was in middle school, like, I would absolutely love them, and I know that's like the humor it's not bad humor, and it's not bad comedy writing at all. It's just not my style of comedy writing. That's the best way to describe it. I don't really mesh well with it. I liked a lot of the other characters they introduced. But yeah, nothing like, someone's approaching my car, so let's continue this later. Thought someone was approaching my car. Turns out they were going into the car next to mine, so, I think we're good. You can probably see them pulling out back there, I don't know. But, yeah, so, I liked a lot of the new characters they introduced. I mean, Domino, I already knew her from the comic. She's pretty great. I mean, who else? Whatever that cute Japanese girl was, you know me. Obviously gonna love her. Yeah, that's about it. I mean, like, really, if, like, what you gotta know is, if you liked the first Deadpool, you are going to love this movie. I just thought the first Deadpool was meh, and I thought this one was meh. It's essentially the same. It's a completely different, like, story and everything, but it's the same movie in the sense that you will have the same exact opinion of it. Yeah. A little fan servicey. I mean, there's some I don't want to get into spoilers, actually, so if you haven't seen the movie, I was going to say some fan servicey stuff, but yeah, there's some X-Men fan servicey stuff. But yeah, other than that, I'd give it for people like if you're like me and you have the similar tastes as me, it's a skip. But if you're a fan of the first Deadpool, it's worth seeing. So I'd say it's in that threshold between skip and worth seeing. That's about it. Thanks guys for watching.